Hello guys, it is Monday 19th of June 2017 and it is hot, man. It's hot today. I like the heat, but it's very humid. Um, yeah, man, I've been working from home today, working in the garden. This is my mate Robin. Came over to say hello. Yeah, he was pretty cool actually. We had a little chat. He's doing all right. Um, Yeah, I hope no one else is melting too much. I've just turned off the fan here to get this done. So yeah, I hope everyone's winning and living the dream. I have got a bit to talk about as usual. Not loads this week. Only got one trade open, which is something that came from my trading group, but I'll kind of manipulate it a little bit. Excuse me. Um, let's have a look at it. New Zealand USD. Where are you? Yeah, so somebody spotted this channel, bum, 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 which was something like that. There we go. Bit going on there maybe. Yeah, now I wouldn't trade a channel on its own. Not a big fan of that. We did get a nice rejection candle here. I've gone short around here. I actually used we can see that there is a kind of sell signal here. We had momentum divergence over here on the 8 hourly, but I actually used a 2 hourly to get in. So as you see, my entry was here. When it chunked down here, I let it roll over here. Now, you might argue that my stop is close to this 7,300 area, but to be honest, that's more because I'm not. I could put my stop like here is more where I'm thinking, but I just wanted to give it a little bit more swing room. I want it kind of tight. So I'm not, if it gets up here, I'm not, I'm not expecting it to get up here basically. So here's where I'd like it. Bit extra is there. So yeah, we'll see what happens there. I mean, I've got my target quite high here on this zero point 0.7 number. I wanted to have that. I wanted to have a good chance. I might take off half the position here, although I am going on holiday next week, so it might be nice to let it run if it gets down there. But as it currently stands, I've made this almost 4-to-1 trade, which isn't too bad. I could do with some trades coming in. I mean, I had I'm going to say unfortunate. I mean, luck isn't part of it, but yeah, I had what was it earlier? CAD Swiss. Jesus, this one really punched me in the face. Made me quite sad, actually. So you can see I'd shorted the market around here. So I'd read this as it kind of hit the tail, was rolling over on the 8, I believe. So yeah, when it was just setting up. And anyway, my call looked pretty good, actually. And today you can see where it was, it was falling. Come on, my mouse always screws up for some reason. I don't know. Anyway. So it came all the way down here. It was looking really good. It took out these other lows here, and then out of nowhere it just flipped and went, sky high. So yeah, I don't know what did that. I don't really think it was news driven. I think it happened on the US Open about 1:30. Out I went. Yeah, I'd literally punched me in the face. I mean, it's only a 0.25% loss. What are you going to do? So yeah, it's interesting. I mean, obviously, looking at this, you could quite happily argue that I get my stop behind here, I'd still be in it. But I don't know. As I read it at the time, it looked okay. We had this big support, this big resistance line not along there. Anyway, I can't remember what it was. Did it in last week's video. But that's that. You win some and you lose some. So this is all I got open. I'm not really trying to get too active in the markets at the moment. I got a couple of points here. GBP USD would be nice for a short. I mean, I'm already bullish, because the NZD USD. I'm already short that long USD, so I don't really want to do it. But I did think it looked okay for a short. We're kind of in this downtrending market here. We have a 2 hour is setting up relatively nicely, but I'm not going to take it because I've got one similar. So this could quite happily roll over. So that's reasonable. Phew, I'm absolutely melting, man. Euro GBP, Euro CAD, I might even have set up. Hang on, let's go to Euro CAD. Euro CAD. Bom, bom, bom. Yeah, so I have got a short on here. So let's look at this on the 8 hourly. So yeah, idea being, it's rolled over, pulls back into somewhere around here, continues on south. We could quite happily see it going on here, and then we might make it down to these lows here. So I mean that's another 3 to 1 trade. Obviously, you're also conflicting with the fact that on the 8 hourly here we have got a kind of buy, but it's a bit of a lame buy. So I'm just going to see what this happens. If it pulls back, clips me in, we might make some money there. Interestingly, for these sort of trades, I am trying, especially seeing as I'm off on holiday, I'm trying to take a bit of profit off the table. So yeah, that's that really. Not much else going on. Indices keep doing their thing. UK 100 is up at the moment, so that's not showing any signs of slowing. I wouldn't be surprised if the US are even higher than that. Yeah, there you go, 21,500 on the Dow. Oil's been dying hard. It's been a great short for someone that got short round here. At some point this will probably turn into a buy, but I'm not doing it yet. Yeah, we'll just see what happens here. You see we've got quite nice buy signals here, quite a nice buy signal here. So we'll look for something that's similar. We see these kind of tails and see if we can, ride it up. But not yet. And as I say, I'm going on holiday, so I might not catch that. Silver's been taking an absolute caning, which is disappointing because I've got a lot of ETFs that mirror this. Yeah, where's the bounce going to be? Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, that's what's going on. I'm not being particularly active at the moment, but love to give you a little video, something to think about anyway. This would have been a sublime short. Yeah, it really would have been nice. But yeah, we don't short silver because we're fundamentally biased, which I kind of jest, and obviously we need to sort that out. But anyway, that's me for now. I'm going to keep it short. We're only 7 minutes in. Yeah, let me know. I hope your trading's going well. I hope you're enjoying the sun, man, and I hope the heat's not bothering you too much. But for now, we'll call it a day. I will be back next week for a video, and then I'll have a week off. But other than that, I just hope you're having fun. Hope you're enjoying Mr. Robin there. Mr. Robin's chilling out. We got to chill out just like Mr. Robin, really. And yeah, keep on trading. Live the dream. Give us a thumbs up.